skincare lovers, on this video we're going to be making molato soap. Molato soap that can give you 3 shades lighter without lotion, without oil. Molato soap that can stay 2, 3, 4, 5 months without changing color. Guys, I've been seeing a lot of comments on my videos like, Precious, make molato soap that cannot change color. My molato soap do change color, what happened, and all that. So if you are interested, if you want to know how I make this molato soap, if you want to make this molato soap that can whitening, treat without giving you any reaction or changing color, please and please watch this video to the end. Okay, before you ask question, yeah, you are free to ask question in any of my videos, but please, before you ask question, make sure you watch the video to the end, and so you'll be very sure that I have not answered that question, or I have not given solution to that question you are asking me. So please, I put a lot of effort in making my videos and all that, editing, everything. So please make it easy for me by watching it to the end before asking question. Okay, I will appreciate that. Okay, so but before we dive into the video, if today is your first time of stopping by, hi, my name is Fresh Beauty World. Welcome back to my channel. Please go ahead and subscribe and turn on your post notification so you'll be the first to be notified each time we drop a video, and we upload video on this channel every blessed day. Okay, so and you can as well do well to check other of our videos on how you can make your soaps, oil, face cleanser, face cream, scrub, and all that. Okay, I think you have all the videos you need to take good care of your skin. Okay, and all is affordable. Okay, we don't drop long recipes. Okay, so just like this molato soap we want to make now, let me shock you guys, we are just using 5 ingredients to make this molato soap, and the soap we are going to use to make this molato soap is just 2. Okay, so I just love it, simple and active. Okay, and for you that think that without you adding a lot of serums, powders, oils into your products, that product will not be active, is a big lie. Because when you choose that 2 or 3 good concentrates or oil that works for you, or you think that is good, and you continue using it and be faithful to it, guys, that product will be more active to compare that one that you pour thousands of serums inside. Okay, that one you pour thousands of serums might end up giving your customer white patches, stretch mark, and all that. Okay, so if you want to make, don't have that mindset that if you're pouring a lot of active ingredient, therefore that product will be active, is a big lie. Okay, so just watch this video to the end. And for you that complain that your molato soap do change color, that is because you add a lot of different soaps together, you add powders, you add serums inside one production. And molato soap, the soap we use to make molato soap on its own, is extremely active, that can whitening your skin on its own. So you pouring 5, 6, 7, 8 different soaps inside one production is very wrong. And like I said earlier, the soap we are going to use for this is just 2, which is our nano kojic super white soap. You're going to use just 6 of it. Okay, this soap is very active, that helps whitening up the skin and glow your skin. It helps to fade away dark spot as well gradually. Then the next one you are going to add to it is lightning soap, carrot, and papaya. This soap is very extremely active. I know, because they said lightning, you would think that yeah, it's not active, it's not going to whitening, is just for lightning. No, this soap will help to whitening up your skin and glow your skin. Okay, and it will help to fade away edge spot as well. So the next one you need is your OSHA proper water, 1 liter. The next one you need is your carrot or booster, 1 liter. The next one you need is your skin free milk. Guys, if you want to get your OSHA proper water, your booster, please and please make sure you have a right vendor that you can purchase those things from, because if the soap you use is very good and active, if you add Osha Propra water or booster that is not really that good, that they just mix anything they like, guys, that soap might end up not being active or giving your customer stretch mark, green vein and all that. So please, if you are getting something like this, make sure you are getting it from a right vendor. And we sell as well if you want to buy those things, okay? And let me use this opportunity to inform you guys that we're going to be having a group training soon, because a lot of people have been begging me, Precious, please fix group training. But yeah, I don't have chance, but I just have to do it, okay? So for most of you that want to train with us but you don't have the money, just participate, start getting ready for this training. And guys, the good news here is that this training, guys, comes with how you can make your organic base cream from scratch, how you can make your half cast lotion from scratch, the face cream from scratch, how you can make your lady white oil. Guys, this recipe is perfect. So if you really want to be perfect on what you are doing, I know nobody's perfect, but let me just use the word perfect on what you are doing, because it's somebody's skin. So you just have to participate on this training. And our base training alone and how to activate them is 100,000, and this training we are going to fix now is just 50,000 naira for 10 people, okay? So please, if you want to train with us, start getting ready now. The training is coming up next month, so start getting ready now. Just send me message on my DM after this training, guys. After we complete 10, we are not going to add any other person. And so please, if you want to train, this is the right time, and we need just 10 people, okay? So I have introduced all the soaps we are going to use for this production. So this is how you are going to do this. First of all, you need to get a mixing bowl that is very good, well cleaned, okay? Then you grate your soaps inside, your nano white soap inside 6 pieces. You grate your lightning soap inside. Then you add your booster. When you want to add your booster, just add half of it and see how it is, okay? Don't add everything once so it will not be too watery, okay? So you add your booster, your carrot booster, okay? Then you add your Osha Propra water, half of it. Then you get your skim free milk, add your skim free milk, one of it. Then you make sure your hands is very clean. Then you mix it together and see how it is. If there is not enough liquid inside, then you add more of your Osha Propra water and more of your booster, okay? Then you cover this soap for good 2 days before you can bring it out and mix it, okay? So that is just it, guys. If you can follow this recipe, I beat my chest telling you that you can never ever regret it, because it's extremely active. So, and for most of you that will ask me, Precious, can I use any other shower gel without this booster? Please, you need this booster and Osha Propra water to make this particular recipe, okay? You need it. You don't need to use any other shower gel. You need the booster and Osha Propra water. It's very important, okay, for you to get that perfect result. Guys, this molato soap recipe will give you 3 shades lighter, without oil, without lotion. This soap will give you 3 shades lighter. That is how effective it is. So if you really want to make this molato soap, I beg you, please get the right product, okay? Don't get fake. If you get a fake product, it might end up not working. It will end up not working. So that is the reason why you need a right vendor, a trustworthy vendor, okay, to purchase any of your skincare products. So it's very important. And if you have been watching this video to the very end, you are very lucky. Like, you are extremely lucky. So when you add all this and cover it The next day, like leave it for 2 days. The next day you bring it out and mix it, okay, and your soap is ready to go. Guys, this soap will never ever change color. The way it is, that is how it will be, okay. And if you want to make this, make sure everywhere is clean. This paste we are using to make the production is well clean, okay. It matters as well. So you can go ahead and ask question. Anything you don't understand, please go ahead and ask question on the comment section, okay. And you can go ahead and try this and let me know the outcome under the comment section, okay. Let's chat under the comment section. So guys, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your post notification so you will be the first to be notified each time we upload video. You guys know I love you so much. See you on my next video. Bye.